load it on your device, then you can test it on a device, right? So if you have the controllers, you have the app loaded on the device, then you can play the game and you can test it. But you can't do that in the simulator, right?
That's correct. Not right out of the box. There's no way to do that out of the box. You're setting me up.
I'm setting you up. I'm trying to set you up, man. Like,
okay. All right. Yeah. So we got a few minutes left. So I wanted to. I'm sure I said it before on another show, but the Green Throttle is really exciting to me, and just because I got tired of the limited touch input and trying to do tricky things with accelerometers and having the full controller, no keyboard or mouse, but hey, a controller, that's cool, was good. But I realized that it would be painful to do development if every time I made a change, I had to upload it to my device to test my changes. So what I did was I looked for a way to hook the Green Throttle up to the simulator, and last night I figured that out, and I just got it working before the show. So I'm gonna try to demo this just as proof of life, so to speak, and hopefully I do everything right. So let me show my screen.
Okay. And of course, our video is going to be a little choppy. So
yeah, I know we're
results may vary.
We are challenged today.
All right, I got you focused in on so we can see your screen.
Okay, so here's the steps. What I'm going to do is hopefully I got this. This is still pretty much alpha. I'm going to put something out today, but for people who get it today, just be aware that it might still be a little buggy, and you'll get an update when I make the changes. So let me start my device, which you cannot see me doing, and let's start the. Can you see that now? What you're seeing on the screen here is basically a dump of all the Green Throttle inputs. So I suppose if I move my mouse, you can see that. So
that's what we like to hear. Ooh.
Yeah. As you can see, nothing's going on. But when I turn my controller on, if I did everything right here, this screen should turn green. And this is, again, the simulator. Okay, so now my device, which I'm holding in my hand, is talking to, is talking to the Green Throttle and then sending those inputs forward to the simulator. So now when I move my joystick around, you can see the inputs there, and button A, home button. It's really hard to read, I think, on this screen. I don't know if you guys can see that okay?
Yeah, I can see it says...
We can see things changing.
Yeah, so this is not a real exciting demo, but it's a proof of life demo is what it is. I wanted to get all the outputs in one place and verify them.
Yeah.
Another thing I did in this release was people who haven't started Green Throttle yet won't be aware of it. I'm going to take my screen share off. Thank you, Rob. I mean, not Rob. I'm doing it again with the names. Thank you, Brian. Green Throttle is a polling library, so the way it works is instead of Green Throttle sending you a message when a button is pushed, you have to poll the device every frame or at whatever rate you choose and ask it, has the device been updated, did the joystick get moved, was a button pushed, and so forth.
Wow.
But I think a lot of developers are used to developing with the touch model, which is where the events are sent to you. So you subscribe to an event, like a touch or a collision event, something like that, and your code is executed automatically when the event occurs. So another part of what I'm releasing today, and I'm pointing at the screen that you can't see, is I am releasing a package that converts the polling mechanism into a event-based mechanism like touch. So hopefully when this video gets edited today and released, my site will have been updated with a copy of this.
That is awesome.
So you'll have a template up later today, hopefully?
At the bare minimum, what I'll have is the library that does the remote connection, the library that does the conversion from polling to event-based, and a sample of some sort, which probably won't be much more exciting than some arrows moving around or this text-based example that I showed eventually what I'll put in there is a full deal with the menus and move a little guy around or something. The basics, just so people can hook up, understand the different inputs, and see how they connect with a game-like interface.
That's great.
Very
That's going to be a
nice.
huge help to the development community.
That's my goal. So, like I said, I was really excited about this, and having the show today lit a fire under me to get my butt moving on this. So.
Well, good. I'm looking forward to it. That's good stuff. You're always putting out little toys that we can play with. I love it. It's a lot of fun. Thank you.
I have my moments. Every once in a while, I get something done.